one of those fools gonna be back? We don't have all day. I have no idea. Yeah, hopefully it will be soon. Hey, no. What is it, Brady? Do you want me to bring out my army now? No. Wait. Just wait until I say so. Okay, cool. Alright, can y'all stop standing there and go try to find those idiots? Well, what do you want us to do? Go find them! Alright, fine. This is literally why I work alone and I have my symbiotes with me. Where are your symbiotes? They're in me. I just have to let them out like Pokemon. Oh, okay. Okay, Noel, we brought back the lizard I think you were looking for. Alright, what is it? So, it's a very orange lizard. I'll just say that right now. Okay. Ah! Oh, you absolute beauty. Ah! I think it's pissed. Yes, it is definitely pissed. Here, Brady. What? Go. Just leave. I don't want you to get hurt. Alright, fine. Oh, this thing is heavy. I think it literally broke off my tentacle. Okay, well, get out of the way. I don't need your help anymore. So, did we do good, sir? Yes, you did. And now I can have my new pet to ride along the entire multiverse and start an apocalypse. Just what I like to hear. Yes, indeed. Okay, well, where is Mysterio? I'm right here. Alright, good. So the rest of the Sinister 5, I guess? Well, we did have 6, but Venom is... Wait, hold on. Did you just say Venom? Yeah, I did. So Venom is still missing, I see. He was my very first symbiote I ever created. And he's been missing this entire time. Oh, I really wonder where he went. Why, do you have an idea of where he could have gone? No, not really, but I don't know. Anything can happen. Hey, stop right there! Who the hell are you? I am Captain Marvel, Defender of the Cosmos. And with my husband, Star-Lord... Wait, pause. You married this guy? Yes, we're both intergalactic, guardians. Okay, well, I don't really care. My cat will lock you up. Oh, look at that. It's just a cute kitty. What can it... Oh! Scared me right off the lizard. Okay, I want you to get down right now. Put your hands up, because we're going to shoot you. Oh, yeah. Electric shock. Okay, let's get out of here now. Okay, stupid cat. Okay, make sure they're not gone. Hey, come on. You don't want to do this. Why? Because we're a lot more powerful than you are. That's right. Oh, come on. Yes. There you go. Oh, come on. Why does a cat have to attack me? Oh! There you go. Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, guys, you know what I just realized? What is it, Christian? Alex has been missing for, like, 3 weeks now or something like that. I don't even know. That makes so much sense. Why? Why are you saying that, Hulk? Because he's a fucking joke. I literally beat him in the 3rd movie. My variant in the other world beat him. And then the Red Hulk kicked him to the curb. Classic Alex. Yeah, that's actually kind of facts. Oh, come on, Thor. What? I mean, it's true. Yeah, I guess. But I did like Alex. He was a good guy. Well, he tried to kill us like twice. I know. But the power of talking to other people really can make a difference. For real. Okay, so that is the tour of the Avengers compound. And welcome to the team officially. Wow, this is a really nice place, Cap. Yeah, thanks. I'm so glad to be back. I mean, I know I wasn't really, like, part of it, but I'm glad the Ant-Man is back. Yeah, we could have really used you. So, what are we gonna do today? Well, first things first, if you even care about me. Dude, Strange, we care about you. We just know that you're injured. I know. And the best part is that I am now fully healed. Oh, good. That is a relief. Yeah, so if you need me for anything, just holler. Alright, cool. Alright, well, Spider-Man is giving a tour of our new recruits, and I'm going to put something in your suit, Cap. Wait, what are you putting in? I guess you could say it's a power-up. There you go. Okay, I hope it's not bad. I promise it's not. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I guess we can just start yapping again about Alex. What about Alex? Wait, I just realized he's missing. Yeah, good riddance. Okay, why are all of you hating on Alex? Because he's a joke. I mean, I don't think he's a joke. I think he's a joke. No, he's not, Thor. I mean, you gotta stand up for your friends, am I right? Someone's at the door. I'll go get it. Ah, a nice Sunday afternoon in March. Okay, guys, we have company. What? Holy shit. Star-Lord and Captain Marvel, what are y'all doing here? Hello, Steve. Yes, hello, Steve. So, what's new? I haven't seen you guys since Battle World. Yeah, we've been protecting the cosmos from something dangerous that we just fought. Oh, great. Another big threat. Why can we not catch a break? Bruce, we've been in hiding since November. Give it a break. Sorry about him. He's just extremely angry. I'm gonna go get a burrito. Okay, so what's going on? So this giant orange lizard is terrorizing the city as we know it. And this guy with a giant sword, white hair, and gray skin is riding it. Oh, wait. That is Null. Null? Yes. We literally fought him in his lair when me and Deadpool and Logan were there. So this is what you were talking about? This is the Null guy? Yep, it is. Oh my gosh. Wait, did you say Null? Yeah, why? Hold on. Rah! Oh, Venomized Hulk. I didn't think we'd ever see you. Okay, so this is actually now where I have to tell you about this guy. Wait, you know him? Yes, he is my creator. Your creator? Yes, he's the one that created the symbiotes, and ever since he lost me, I have been the one he's been hunting for with his new symbiotes. And if he gets into our world, which he already is, then we are screwed. All he's been wanting to do his entire life is create an apocalyptic world where nothing exists. Radiation everywhere. He wants to drop this giant radiated bomb and just terrorize everything in his path since he's been in hiding for God knows how long. Wow, that was a kind of a big speech there. I know. We just cannot let him know that we're here. Well, he was just outside, so I think he knows we exist. Oh, fuck. Alright, sorry you had to hear from that. Nah, it's okay. I totally get it. Alright, so are we going on another adventure? Wait, Star-Lord and Captain Marvel are back? Yeah, they are back for pretty big reasons. Because we now have another alien trying to mess with this planet. Oh, great. Wait, so this is the chance we get to prove ourselves with. Yup, first day on the job. Are you ready? I couldn't be more ready. Strange, are you coming? Actually, I know more about this guy than you know. What? Wait, did Venom just explain that to you, Hulk? Venom, talk more. He won't talk. Okay, so this guy can create anything in his path, and it actually looks like that he has the Sinister Six with him. What? How is that possible? Didn't we literally banish them to another world? We did, but I guess they landed up in Null's world. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get my wings. Come on, Tic Tac. Okay, this is not good, because those are, like, my biggest enemies. Wait, did you see Kingpin? No, I did not. I saw Goblin, Octopus Guy, Electric Guy, Sand Guy, and Fishbowl Guy. Okay, so those are just 5 of them, and Venom is of course, inside of Hulk, so at least that's good. Okay, well, I think it's time we have to go outside and fight. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're out here. We have all the squad back. Man, it feels good to have this many heroes again. I can't believe that I'm riding Sergi. I can't remember the last time I even rid Sergi. Yeah, that is pretty dope. But I don't see anything. This all looks way too suspicious, y'all. A portal? Wait. What is... Whoa! What the heck? They just all disappeared into that portal. And it's gone. Oh god, I have to go tell Strange. Uh, oh man, what the hell happened? Oh my gosh. I don't know, Thor, but we fell pretty high up. Oh man, I'm cold. I'm cold too. Here, wait. Cap, Peter. Wait, which Peter? Peter Parker, come here. Where the hell are they going? I don't know, but is this the kind of stuff you always have to go through, Thor? Yeah, pretty much. It's the Avengers. What do you expect? Oh, man, does anybody have a jacket? Yeah, Bruce, we don't have any jackets. Sergi, what are you doing? Why are you rolling around in the snow? No. Okay, well, this isn't good. Yeah, it's not. Of course, the first thing that I have to do when I return here is do whatever the hell we're doing. Oh, my precious bow and arrow, if I would have lost you. Okay, we just fell out of the sky, and I don't even know where we are. So, that is just wonderful. Wait, what is that coming up towards us? Oh, hello, Avengers. Fancy seeing you here. Wait, is this Null? Yep, it is. So, you're the one... Wait. Oh, it's that 49ers guy. I remember I beat the absolute shit out of you. No, you did not. Yeah, you didn't. Wait, where's your other friends? I know you had a couple of others. Well, Micah is... Oh, I don't even know where Micah is. I guess he stayed back home. He didn't get sucked in. Dang it, I wanted a reunion. That doesn't matter. It does not matter. So, you're probably wondering why I brought you here. Yeah, we are really wondering that too. What do you want? Why are you doing this? Because I didn't want you getting into the way of my plan. Because if you don't already know, I want to start an apocalypse where nothing exists, nobody exists. It will be the perfect plan for my world. My new world, to be exact. Wow, that is pretty fricked up, dude. I know. And now, I think it's time that we bring the army. Oh! Oh, yep. Look who's back in their original suit. Yes! Wait, you have an original suit? Yes, this is the suit I wear when it's very cold outside. Oh my god, Cap! That suit is back! And of course, I have to have a suit too. Wait, wasn't that the suit that the original Spider-Man had? It was, but luckily it's a different universe and you're not gonna know it's me. Okay, perfect. Okay, where did Null go? I'm right here. Oh, this is the one I wanted to meet the most. Captain America. Yes, that is my name. You look good in that white, but I recommend the blue more. Shut up. Oh, that is very rude. Okay, let me go ahead and get my army and we can get started. Oh man, he's really good at that stuff. Yeah, he is. Such a yapper. Oh, look at the little Avengers. They're ready for my return. No, we are not. So tell me about this army that you have, Null. Oh, let me bring you their leader. Yes, hello. Oh my gosh, not this loser again. Isn't it my cousin that betrayed us? Actually, that's a lie. I'm actually your long-lost brother. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Actually, that actually makes sense. Yeah, it does not. Get the hell out of my face. Why are you doing this? Because I wanted you to come down to the Hollow Earth so that we could reunite for one final time. But of course, I was always the hated one in our family. And once I knew that you were coming down here, I sensed it. And now I have the opportunity to kill you and the rest of your little Avenger family with my new army and maybe an old friend. Hello. What? Barkov? Hello, Matthew. I didn't know you were still alive. Oh, I'm not alive. Because I am. Wait, so you can turn into a symbiote? So basically, I turn Barkov into a part of me, so I can fully transform into Carnage. Well, this is interesting. Yeah, it is. But anyways, split half of his body to his, and now we have 2. But I am infected by the Carnage symbiote, so I'm on his side. Barkov, how could you do this to me? I don't understand. Because it's how it works, okay? You've had like a 1 minute long speech. Now shut the fuck up. Jeez. Okay, so now it's time to bring out the entire army. Yes, we're back once again, baby. This will probably be the last time, but look, Jeff's army has returned. Yes, let's go, iconic. Oh man, they're still flooding in. Well, this isn't good. Matthew, Christian, and Brandon, why don't you go take care of the army? And Sergi. Alright, come here, dinguses. Yeah, come fight us if you're really worth it. Rah, rah, rah. Go after them. Alright, let's go. Carnage, you stay with me. Barkov, you go with them. Okay, perfect. Now with those clowns out of the way, we can really get down to business. Am I right, Goblin? Ha ha ha! That's right. Oh, Spider-Man. Glad to see you back. I'm not glad to see you, Goblin. Oh, that is very rude. We also got Dr. Otto Octavius. Oh, great. Not Doc Ock. Oh, great. We also got the Sandman back. And Mysterio. And let me guess, Electro. That's right. Let's get electric. Oh, well, this is just great, isn't it? And you can't forget about Noel's right-hand man, Lasher. Yep, that's right. Okay, so, Noel, why did you send us here? Because I want you to freeze to death with my beautiful bio-lizard. Oh my god, that thing looks scary. We can defeat it, though. Oh my god, this thing is absolutely huge. How are we going to defeat this thing? Wait. We're a Thorn Falcon. Dive! Oh! What the... Wait, what was that? I electrocuted them. Oh, okay. Okay, well, we are kind of in a real pickle right now, aren't we? Oh, and you also forgot about my other friend that's joining the party. What the actual hell is that? That would be the Ice Titan Shimo. I was told that if we got sent here, Shimo would be here and join us as soon as she got mind controlled. So now we have 2 lizards, and now I conduct Bio Blizzard. I swear, if that's the title of the movie, I'm actually going to lose it. Well, we'll see. Fourth wall moment. Okay, well, we got a lot on our hands and we barely have anything, so let's do this. Give it our all. Alright, we're just doing some nice spray painting here while the Avengers are gone. Strange! Strange! What happened, Micah? They just got taken away in some giant orange portal, and I don't think it was you, was it? No, it was not. So, what does that mean? Great. I think you guys might have given Noel a portal ring. No wonder why one of mine is missing. Oh, that actually makes sense. Okay, so now I have to stop what I'm doing, and I have to figure out a way to get over there because I don't even know where they are. Really? Yeah, because if I don't have the ring where I traveled it to, I don't know where they are, so that is really bad. I mean, really, really bad. Hey, is anyone home? Oh my gosh, wait. Aren't you Sonic? Sonic the Hedgehog? Yeah, that's me. Alright, is this the guy we have to beat up? No, Amy! What? Wait, there are more of you? Yes, there is like 3 more of us here. Oh, you're not gonna hurt us, are you? No, of course not, of course not. So, we were wondering if maybe we could become part of the Avengers. Okay, why do a bunch of random people just want to join our team? You know this is exclusive. Well, I wouldn't say maybe join the Avengers, but become allies with them, if that makes sense. I mean, yeah, you can do whatever you want. I don't care. Alright, so I guess we're allies to you then. So, what's the problem? Why do you look white? Why do you look so worried? Because the Avengers are right now gone in some... I don't know. They might be at a different universe. They might be at a different place on Earth. I have no idea, but we have to figure out a way to save them. Well, I guess it's up to Team Sonic. Well, you can go help them. Wait. I have an idea. Hold on. So, you guys seem friendly. Yeah, we're definitely friendly. Okay, I have a plan. It's crazy, but I think it will work. What is it? Come with me, Micah. Okay, so I guess we're just supposed to chill here? Yeah, I guess we are. Alright, let's do some chilling. Alright, we're gonna get our own battle here right quick. This will be easy. Yeah, I highly doubt that, brother. Man, it feels so weird saying that. You really let me side with them. How could you, Matthew? You should have escaped. It's not my fault. Alright, let's kick some ass. Rah, rah, rah. Oh! Alright, battle has started. Let's go. Okay, these guys are weak. I should be able to take them easy. Oh, Senator, how could you? Alright, come on. Who am I going to fight next? Ooh, Star. Okay. Oh, Barkov. No, Barkov, stop. Okay. Alright. Rah, rah, rah. Oh! Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. Oh, man. No. Sergi. No. How dare you hurt Sergi? Okay. Alright. How are we doing? How are we doing? Alright. I just took care of a lot of them. Archer, look out. Okay. Slap shot. Nope. I don't think so. Lightning. Blue. Screw you. No. Get them, fools. Okay. Goodbye, Wild. No. No. This wasn't how the plan was supposed to go. Where is Barkov? Christian. Yes. Get him. Rah, rah, rah. Oh. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. Okay. Where is Christian? No. Let me go. It's not your fault. Here, Senator, help me out here. No! Please! I'm gonna turn you into a Venom too. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Rawr. Oh, thank you, Sergi. Oh, thank you so much. This wasn't how it was supposed to go. Brandon, give me your bow and arrow. Yes, it was. No, I don't want the smoke. Bitch. How could you do that to your own brother? Because it was my destiny. Now, I think it's only time to get rid of you. Isn't that right? Sergi, no! No, please! Matthew, it's me! No, it's not. I can never trust somebody like you ever again. Is he dead? Yep, he's dead. Did you really do that? Yes, I killed my good friend. He's dead now. Officially dead. And Sergi, man, Sergi was locking the hell in. I know. Alright, let's go help the Avengers. Come on, get him, you stupid lizards. Alright, Shimo it is. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, man, it looks like that can freeze. Alright. Alright, I want to take care of Captain America. Where is Captain America? I'm right here. Come here. Alright. Gotta take down this bio lizard. Oh, my head. Help me. Broke out of the ice. Oh, I'm stuck in its mouth. Help me. Oh, I just pissed it off even more. Okay, I gotta defeat this giant. What is this, an ice lizard? Oh, come on. Come on, there has to be something we can do. Oh no, not again. Ha ha ha! Spider-Man, come on. It's time for round 2. All right, Spider-Man, we're going to help you out here on our first mission, if you would call it that. All right, let's do this. Oh no, where did he go? I'll take care of Sandman. Ha ha ha! All right, come on, I got to get the glider. I don't think so. What the? Oh no, not my pumpkin bombs. Yes, that's right. Here, actually, I'm gonna end you myself. Wait, let me do it. What? Why? Let me get a kill. Come on. All right. Goodbye, Goblin. Ha ha! What the? Oh, yes. You really thought that was the end of me? No, no, I cannot be taken for. No, I am the Green Goblin. Yeah, you were. Oh, good. Good, Sam. All right, fly high. Oh, yep, that looked a lot more easy than I thought it would. Mysterio taken care of. Come on, where are you? I'm full. Oh man, that hurt. Yeah, I'm full of electricity. What do you expect? All right. Hello, Peter. Hello, Doc Ock. Good to see you, isn't it? Yes, it always is. Oh, come on! Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Yep, in the web. Alright. No! Not my arms! No! No! How dare you! Okay. Now, just have to take this backpack off of you. No! You couldn't. Here, I'll do it. No! Is he dead? Yeah, I think he is. Yeah, I was able to break the circuit board of these backpack. So, yep, he's not moving. All right, man, the bugs are going at it. Yep, Ant-Man and a Spider-Man. That should be a new duo. All right, since you've already taken care of him, it is my turn. What the heck? No. Oh, come on. All right. We just have to take care of one more. No! Stop it! Sam? No, you can't take me away! He just exploded with electricity. Now that's what I like to see. Oh, it's just Sandman who remains. We just have to figure out a way to get rid of all his sand. Oh no. Alright, I just want to hit Spider-Man with this hand. Yeah, you're made of sand. Yeah, but luckily, since I have Sandman, I can just regrow a new weapon. Crap, you're right. No! We have to figure out a way to get him. Sand shield! Oh, great. Now he's surrounded by sand. What are we going to do? What the... Oh! Haha! Wait, I just got deja vu from that. Wait. Are the Sinister Six defeated? I guess so. Or I guess the Deadly Five, whatever you want to call it. Yes. Wow. We were able to defeat the Sinister Six. I love it. Oh, man. Looks like they're having trouble with those lizards. Let's go. Oh, my gosh. How could we defeat this thing? It's easy. Just bite its head off. Oh, no. Oh, my God. What is that? Run. Sergi. Oh my god, this thing is worse than I thought. Yeah, this thing is really bad. I don't know how we're going to be able to defeat this thing. We've been fighting forever. None of our attacks are working. Alright, bring on. No. What are you doing here? You Avengers really thought that you could defeat us? Well, no, you can't! Because I am Null, the god of Symbi. What is that? Oh my god, Zilla! Oh my gosh, it's Godzilla. Yes! Alright, well, looks like we have some help. Alright, there he goes. But wait, who did it? It was me. Yes! Dr. Strange, let's go! How are you doing? Could be better. I mean, I'm still healing from everything that happened. Man, they're just fighting over there. Alright, well, I'm assuming that this is Null. Yup, it is me. We have to defeat this lizard. Oh! Wait, the Bio Lizard? Oh, Sonic! Wait, what are you doing here? Team Sonic has arrived. Yes, Team Sonic, let's go. Wait, there's more of you? Yes, there are more of us. My girlfriend Amy, my friend Knuckles, and my friend Tails. Oh, wow. And we actually know this thing. We actually had to go supercharged to defeat this thing, so I don't know how it's back. Wait, you can supercharge? Yes, I can turn into Supersonic with the Master Emerald, but once you have that thing, you cannot control it. So, I guess we're going to have to defeat this thing on our own. So, you have experience with this lizard? Yeah, we've been trying to defeat it for like the past, I don't know how long. It can't be defeated. Well, you have us now, so we can help. All right, let's go. Come on, you stupid lizard. Rah! Alright, Sonic, how are we supposed to defeat this thing? Okay, so basically, this actually has a core inside of it. It's that middle part right there. So we need to somehow blow that core up. Or we could just do that. Oh gosh, Godzilla's at it again. Oh yes, come on Godzilla, let's go. Oh, okay, well, that was easy. And he's showing why he's the king of the monsters. And he passed out. Wow, that was a lot more easier than I thought. Oh, well, I guess the Bio Lizard was defeated. Yeah, but that was kind of a rip. I mean, Godzilla just blew it up like it was nothing. I mean, Godzilla is like the most strongest thing on this entire world, so it makes sense. Alright, let's go help the rest of the Avengers. Okay, the battle's almost done. I'm freezing my ass off, but we are almost done. You forgot about me! Ah! Oh, come on. Yep, I knew I miscounted there. Alright. Oh, where am I going now? Where am I going now? Oh, come on. You just always have to have those little smokestacks of yours, right? Well, yeah, I do. But if you don't want them, I can turn them into something else, Peter. What do you think of these? My deadly smoke blades. So do you have to have any weapon that has the word smoke in it? Yeah, basically. Oh man, they're sharp. Oh no. Yes, I'm the most strongest one on the entire Sinister Six. Wrong, that was Green Goblin. Okay, fine. Oh, come on. Alright, you're in my web. Now what can defeat you? I can. No! Alright, that was nice. I can't believe that one of my sworn enemies just helped me. I mean, I am being taken over by Hulk. I mean, we are taken over by the Hulk. Yeah, that's right, Venom. Okay, well, let's go defeat Null. Alright, let's go. Come on, I still have a lot in me. Oh, man. I cannot wait to kick your ass. I don't think so. Sam! I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah, you're not okay. Oh, Venom, how could you? My very first symbiote I created is fighting me. Oh, shit! Wait, what are you doing? Wait, did you just... You're taken over by him? Of course he is. Crap! Yes, You're not going to be able to defeat me. Yes. Thank you. All right, come on. You think your little webs can do anything? Oh, come on. This is not looking good. All right, who is this guy? Wait. All right. Oh my gosh. Come on. All right. Man, this is easy. I'm telling you, this is actually so easy. All right. Man, you're kicking the hell out of them, sir. I know I am. Okay. We need Shimo right now. Wait. What are you doing? The thing I should have done before. What? No! Wait. Strange. Did you just freeze him? I did. And now we need Godzilla to get up. Wait. Let me do it. No. You're a joke. Come on. I want to do something good. Why don't I do it? No. The more time that's it's going to take, it's not going to work. Okay, let me do it. Oh, man. This has just been a crazy day. And it's cold and it's getting dark. And I don't know how long we've been here. You know what? Let me do it. No. Let him do it. Did it work? I think it worked. I think it worked. Null has been defeated. Did I just hear that right? Yeah, you did, Cap. Look, there's nothing there. Wow. A hard-fought battle and Null has been defeated. Looks like his apocalyptic plan is not going to work out. Yeah. I can tell you're cold because you just stuttered. Yes, I am freezing our ass off. I think we all are, right? Yeah, even Godzilla is. So is Godzilla on our team? And what about Shimo? They're not going to hurt us. Okay, cool. Guys, is it over? Wait, who are you? Wait, hold on. CJ? Christian? Oh my gosh, where have you been this entire time? Wait, did I just hear CJ Stroud? CJ, what's up? Okay, I don't really want to have the time to talk because... Wait, it's Shimo. Please don't hurt me. She's not gonna hurt you. And Godzilla? So they're here with us? Yep, they are. So where is Micah and the others? Oh, so if you don't know, I know you haven't been here, but Alex has been missing for like 3 weeks and Micah's back home. Oh, okay. But you're not, like, infected or anything. No, I have been stuck in this prison for them, and I just hid behind that tree as soon as I got the chance and when they started fighting. Okay, well, it's good to have you back. Yeah, it is. I just want to punch the living hell out of Julio for letting me down here. I've not seen this planet and Earth for, like, 3 months. It's been crazy. Yeah, but since we're defeated Null, everything is defeated, I think we are good to go. So, actually, hold on. Can you maybe teleport Julio here? Julio who? Jones? Okay, sure, I got you. Alright, what am I doing here? CJ, you little shit! Whoa, hey, chill. No, he literally let me... He's... I don't even know what to say, man. I have been freezing my ass for the past, like, 3 hours or however long it's been, and you just let me here with the remote so I couldn't get back to Earth. I'm sorry, but I have the remote here with me now. You know what? You're fired. I never want to see you again. Fine, but look. Oh, Godzilla and Shimo? They won't hurt us. Okay, cool. So, I think now... Hold on. Strange? Yeah, what's up? Do you think maybe you could take us to the Hollow Earth? Yeah, I can. Are you sure? Yes. Me and Julio actually built a station down there because when we were actually, Null's lair was in the Hollow Earth. So we were able to, I was able to sneak out and build a lair, or not really a lair, but I guess a laboratory, you could say. So we have a place to stay. Okay, here, let me open a portal for you right quick. All right, make sure to bring the remote, Julio. Yeah, I will. I guess Shimo and Godzilla are gonna go too. Yep, they are. Such a legendary roar. Okay, well, Godzilla and Shimo are in the Hollow Earth as well as CJ and Julio, so where does that leave us? Well, we gotta get back home, and everybody is really banged up. Yeah, I can see that. Alright, well, let's make a portal, and let's go home. Man, thank God for Doctor Strange. Yeah, for real. Yeah, thank you, Strange. Just doing my job. Magic carries everything. Oh, man, thank God you are all okay. Yes, isn't your name Micah? Yes, my name is Micah. Yeah, thank you, Micah, for, I guess, staying behind even though you missed all the fun. Well, guess what? If I would have went with you, we probably would have died. All of us. I mean, yeah. I guess that's true. Oh, that's the door. Hold on, let me get it. Yo, 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 what's up? Outlaw. Man, we could have used you. What do you mean? I was trying to find Zorar. Yeah, I know, but... never mind. So, what happened? They had to defeat Noel. Oh, y'all able to defeat Noel? Yeah, they were. Alright, that's awesome. That's really awesome. Yeah, it's really awesome. So, you didn't find Zorar or anything? No, we didn't. Oh, man, the search party is back. Baby girl. Yep, that's right. Deadpool just being Deadpool like always. Okay, so we looked everywhere. We did not find anything. Okay, we're finally here too. Who the hell are these guys? Oh, you didn't forget us? We're Zora's friends. Oh, right, the friends that nobody knows. Hey. Okay, so we're all here, but we still don't have Zora, so where is he? Ring, 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 ring. What the? Ring, 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 ring. Hold on, it's my phone. Ring, 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 beep. Hello? Hello, Captain America. How do you do? Who is this? How did you get this number? Oh, that's easy. I want you... Wait, hold on. Isn't this Samuel Stearns? That's right. And you want Zorar, don't you? Yeah, I do. Where is he? He's at this little place called Pinewood. Pinewood. Yes, Pinewood. Deep in the heart of Texas, you will be there. Come before I end him. Beep. Okay, there he is. So, I guess we're going to Texas. Alright, but I want a select number of people to come. I don't want everybody to come. Alright, so who you taking? Alright, I want Outlaw. Let's go! Alright, I want Ant-Man. Okay, good. Alright, I'll take you two. Alright, perfect. What else do I need? Oh, I need Bruce. Yes, for sure. What should I take with me? I want Christian. Okay. Wait, no, he'll be okay. I promise. And I feel like we need a couple of more. Or would that be good? I mean, I could come. Nah, but you need me to come, bub. Honestly, I think that's good. Wait! Let me come too. Sonic? Yes. But Sonic, I thought we were Team Sonic. Not at this time, Knuckles. We need to go save Zorar, and I need to stop Shadow. Alright, that's fair. Let me come too. Okay. That's already 5 of us. We need at least one more to come. Sam, you down for it? Me? Yes, you. Alright, you know what? Actually, I'll take Strange. You will? Yes, I want Strange to come. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's prepare the jet.